After a month of resuming face-to-face learning, Career Tech High Academy Charter School, or C-Tech principal Dr. Juan Flores says that operations have been progressing smoothly, but there are some bumps in the road.
It's been pretty good. It's been pretty challenging. We always have to remind students about social distancing. They check in and check their temperatures every morning and sanitize all the time, wash their hands. But I think for the most part, those students who come to school, they're really glad to be in school. Volleyball court gets used. The activity is usually pretty active.
Unlike some of the schools across the island, Career Tech High Academy Charter School hasn't reported a single COVID case since the start of the school year.
We haven't had any positive cases in the school, but we've had students who've had to stay home because there have been positive cases in their families. So there have been contacts of contacts, but it hasn't been our students themselves who are tested positive.
Although no COVID cases have been reported on campus, some students have never returned to classes for in-person instruction.
We're juggling, having face-to-face education instruction with having some students online, sometimes at the same time. We have some students whose families have chosen not to have them come back to school for now. And so we have some different modifications, like in the classes I teach, the classes are an hour and 45 minutes, an hour and 15 minutes rather. And so for the last half hour, I finish up with the face-to-face students and I start with the online students. And then if I need to, I meet with them after school again.
Flores pointed out that most students have been able to stay on track with assignments. He also noted that no COVID vaccine mandate is in place for students.
We will be following the protocols from public health to have, as soon as we get it started, a certain percentage of the students tested randomly if their parents give us permission to do that, or when their parents give us permission to do that.
C-Tech has yet to receive approval from public health on the COVID-19 screening testing plan. Flores noted that most employees are fully vaccinated.
Reporting for Guam's News Network, Guahusi Isaiah Agan.